Want to find real estate deals, not overpriced listings? In this video, we reveal 10 proven ways to find undervalued real estate opportunities that real investors use every single day to build wealth. We're going to cover several different things in this video: working with wholesalers, public records and probate leads, networking with local investors, tax delinquent properties, foreclosures and auctions, stressed or fixer-upper properties, properties sitting on the market, direct-to-seller marketing, and off-market listings, just to name a few. You know, everyone wants a great real estate deal, but how do you actually find one? In today's market, the best opportunities aren't sitting on Zillow waiting for you. They're hidden. The only smart investor knows how to uncover them. In this video, I'm breaking down 10 proven ways to find undervalued real estate deals that actually work in today's market. Make sure to like and subscribe and stick around to the end, because number 10 is what separates amateurs from professionals. The first one is off-market listings. The best deals are often never listed publicly. Off-market properties, also known as pocket listings, are homes that aren't yet on the MLS. You find these by building relationships with local agents, wholesalers, or investors who know when a property is about to hit the market. These deals usually come with less competition, more flexible, and sometimes a motivated seller looking to move fast. A quick tip: tell every agent you meet you're looking for off-market investment properties. You'll be surprised how many have leads that haven't actually publicly posted yet. Number 2, direct to seller marketing. Sometimes the best way to beat undervalued deals is to go straight to the source, the homeowner. Use direct mail campaigns, door knocking, or even Facebook ads to target homeowners who might be motivated to sell. Another way is to focus on sellers dealing with life changes, job relocation, divorce, or inherited properties. These are often people who want to make a quick sale, but not at the perfect price. Your message should be simple: we buy houses fast and hassle-free. Consistency is the key. Send letters monthly, not just once or twice. You want to be the first person that person thinks of when they're wanting to sell. Number 3, properties sitting on the market. Here's a simple but powerful: target homes that have been listed for over 90 days. Longer listings often signal that sellers are tired, frustrated, and ready to negotiate. Use filters on Zillow, Redfin, or Realtor.com. Then run the numbers. If the home's been in the market for months, there's a high chance the seller will accept a lower offer. Number 4, distressed or fixer-upper properties. Distressed properties are the gold mine for investors. These are homes that need repairs, updates, or major renovations, because most retail buyers don't want the headache. They sell below market value. Look for words in the listings like needs, TLC, as is, or handyman special. Those are your opportunities. You can find these through agents, wholesalers, or foreclosure databases. Then use the BRRRR method, the buy, rehab, rent, and refinance, repeat, to turn these properties into long-term cash flow machines. Number 5, foreclosures and auctions. When homeowners default on their loans, banks move to recover losses, and that can create an opportunity for investors. Foreclosures and real estate auctions often sell properties at deep discounts. You can find them through county courthouse listings, websites like auction.com, and local real estate owned agents who handle bank foreclosures. The key is to always do your homework. Number 6, tax delinquent properties. Tax delinquent properties are homes where the owner hasn't paid property taxes for several years. Counties often make these public records so you can request the list from your county's tax assessor. Reach out to these owners directly. Many are willing to sell to avoid the property's property entirely. Investors love this method because it gives you early access to motivate sellers before properties ever hit foreclosure. Number 7, networking with local investors. Sometimes the best details come from word of mouth. Join your local real estate investors association or real estate meetups. These events are full of experienced investors, and it's a great place to bounce information off each other and find what you're looking for. You can also network online, Facebook, real estate groups, Bigger Pockets, or local investor forums. Remember, your network is your net worth. The more people know who you are and what you're looking for, the more deals that'll come your way. Number 8, driving for dollars. And this is the old school method, and it's incredibly effective today as well as like it has been in the past. Driving for dollars literally means driving around neighborhoods looking for properties with signs of distress. Overgrown lawns, peeling paint, mailboxes that are, need repair, and boarded up windows are all things to look for. These are often absentee owners or landlords ready to sell. Write down the addresses, use tools like Deal Machine to find contact info and reach out directly. The key here is persistence. You're playing the long game. Number 9, public records and probate leads. Probate leads come from estates where someone has passed away and their heirs are managing their property. Mainly, heirs live out of town, probably want to make a quick sale, and will probably be willing to cut a deal a little bit quicker. You can find probate leads at your local courthouse through specialized data providers. And number 10, working with wholesalers. Wholesalers specialize in finding undervalued deals. It's literally their job. They negotiate contracts directly with sellers, and those contracts They turn around and sell those contracts to investors at a small markup. Overall, you might have to pay a fee, but you'll save time, effort, and energy. The key is building relationships with trustworthy wholesalers who you can understand and be on the same page with. It's all about your criteria, your budget, your cash flow, and your risk tolerance. Just get everything set the way you want it and build a great network, and it will pay off big time in the long run. Thank you for sticking around. Here's the bonus tip: analyze every deal. Finding deals is only half the equation. Analyzing them is where the money's made. Always run your numbers. Check the purchase price, rehab cost, after repair value, and cash flow, as well as the ROI. Use the 1% rule or the 2% rule to quickly filter out bad deals. If a tenant equals at least 1% of the purchase price, you want to look at the rent that they have. If the rent equals 1% of the purchase price, it's usually worth a deeper look. And those are really the main points to drive home. There's deals everywhere, but only if you know where to look. So we'll go through the list one more time. We've got off-market listings, direct seller marketing, properties properties sitting on the market, distressed homes, foreclosures and auctions, tax delinquent properties, networking with investors, driving for dollars, probate leads, and working with wholesalers. Appreciate everyone watching this video this week. Please hit the like and subscribe, and we'll make another real estate investing video next week. Follow for more.